Hello, traders. It is Andy with Trade Ideas, and it's August the 30th on a Wednesday. And wow, what an impressive move from the SPY yesterday. Not incredible volume at all, but still price pays and a nice pop above all our moving averages. Closing at 450 has been a critical pivot level. I will say today, after a big move like this, a lot of time you get a digestion period where you kind of waffle back and forth and end up like a little spinning top or doji, but we'll see. But let's take a look at some, opportunity. I'm really liking gold, and Newmont is one that, has been really beaten up, hasn't really done anything in a while. I like the way it closed yesterday on a 2-week high above its key moving averages, gapping up today, but this one has, like I said, been in a downtrend and really stuck in the mud for a long time. But so keep an eye on that one. I am in Newmont already. I bought it yesterday because of gold, the way it's been performing. I'm also in GLD as well. GNTX. This one is one I like the way it has pulled back to a key level right here. We call this a pivot level and has been going sideways. So let's put a price alert right above this like week high there around 32.40 on that GNTX. Could be one that's in for a nice little bounce there. Amazon. I bought Amazon yesterday as well. It was the other ones, the big boys, I like to call them, the Nvidias, Googles, and Apples, and all those. Those were up 2.5%, 3% yesterday. Amazon really didn't get going. It could be a lagger today. Like I said, I am in this from around 135.50. I'm sorry, 134.50. And one more, PFGC. Let's take a look at PFGC. And just a beautiful setup. Earnings play, pulled down. Look how this 10-period moving average has been holding it. And let's just take a, maybe something around 62.50. Put a price alert. Could be attacking this high going back over here. All right, that's it for today. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.